Hello everybody. Today I'm going to explain to you lesson 2 unit 3 in social studies about the 6 pillars of character. I introduce to you Ziyad. Ziyad is a person of good character. Hi, my name is Ziyad. I'm in grade 2. I have 7 years old. I like to read, draw, and help people in need. When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter. Everyone says that I'm a person with good character. If you want to be like me, you should have these 6 traits. They are 1. Trustworthiness, 2. Respect, 3. Responsibility, 4. Fairness, 5. Caring, and 6. Citizenship. What do we mean by trustworthiness? It means that I have to be honest, to tell the truth, to keep my promises, and do the right things all the time. For example, you went to your friend's house to play together. By accident, you broke his car. Don't hide it. Go and tell him the truth. He will forgive you and trust you. And now, what do we mean by respect? It means don't bully, respect the elders, and listen to others. For example, at school, I respect my teacher. I don't bully my classmates or call them names. Trait number 3 is responsibility. I think before I act. I help others. I'm responsible of my choices. For example, one day I went to the shop with my mom to buy new pair of shoes. I chose green tennis shoes. When I returned back home, I started nagging and telling my mom, I don't want these shoes anymore. I hate the green color. Go now and buy for me another pair of shoes. This behavior is not responsible. Number 4, we have fairness. I follow the rules and instructions. I wish happiness to the winner. For example, I'm a member in a football team players. So I have to follow the rules of the game and I will be always happy for the winner. Trait number 5 is caring. What do we mean by caring? Caring is to be kind to everyone, to help people in need and care about their feelings. For example, my little brother and I went to the playground to play. So it's my duty, it's my job to watch after my brother and keep him safe. The last one is citizenship. What do we mean by citizenship? It means to take care of my school, my community, and my environment. How? How can I do this? At school, I respect the school property, like the smart board, desks, laptops, etc. I participate in all school activities. I keep my school clean. In my community, I greet my neighbors every day I have to say good morning, good evening, and I show them respect. I don't throw garbage on the street. Now, how can I take care of my environment? I recycle. I don't waste water and electricity. I protect the plants, the trees, and the animals around me. So, my friend, always keep in your mind that if you have these 6 traits, you will be a good person. Your mom and dad will be so proud of you. Everyone will respect you and admire you. Then you will have a lot of good friends. Thank you, grade 2. Have a good day. Bye bye.